Welcome to Retro Unboxing. Today we're unboxing a Samsung Gear 360. Everything will be retro someday. So here is the Samsung Gear 360 packaging. Pretty cool. It comes with a little see-through top so you can see the camera, and the bottom hides all the cords and the battery, the manual, and all that stuff it comes with. And they have all the product descriptions written on the outside. Who cares about all that? I just want to tear this thing open. Let's get into this thing. I'm so excited about this new camera. I think I'm gonna film a hike. Maybe later tomorrow or something. This will be exciting. The top plastic see-through part is held on with these little stickers. So I'm trying to remove the stickers, and it seems to be security stickers. They keep tearing. So I guess you can always tell if someone's tampered with it maybe, or have used it before. I chose this camera over the newer model. This camera has better resolution cameras, and the newer camera can do live streaming, but it does it at only 1080. So what kind of VR experience is that if you're live streaming in such low quality? I feel that this was the better choice and at a better price. So this is the little wrist strap if you want to hold the camera in your hand. And then this little baggie here, let's see. Oh, it's a lens cleaning cloth. That's great. Wow, it's a pretty big one. It can cover the whole camera. Look at that. Jeez. So this is the USB charging cord. Looks like the same one that will fit my cell phone. Cool. Some little instruction booklet and the key to the software download for the Cyberlink Gear 360 software. So here's the battery. Replacements are available online, so you can buy multiple batteries. Huh, what else is there? Oh wow, little carry bag. This is a nice little bag. It's padded. It's gonna protect the camera pretty well. Okay, let's clean up a little bit and start unwrapping all the individual things. This is the little strap for the camera, wrist strap. Okay, let's get all this packaging out of the way. Here's the little donut cover and the see-through cover. Let's get this out of here. Alright, so check out everything that's included here. Here's how I'm gonna store my camera inside the bag. I'm gonna get the lens cleaning cloth, and I'm gonna wrap the camera with it, and then I'm gonna insert it into the little baggie. That way I always have a nice cleaning cloth, and hopefully it'll help prevent scratches from sliding the camera in and out of the bag. So let's take a look at these manuals real quick. Here's the quick start guide. I hope my camera is not too overexposed for you to read it. Now to prepare the camera. You have to pop open this little water resistant door here. There it goes. There's a little orange seal around it. Pretty cool. So now you have to insert a micro SD card. This is where the video files are stored. And then you use a little pen to push it in if you don't have fingernails. And now to insert the battery. And be sure to charge the unit before using it. It just plugs into any USB port or USB charger. I'm also going to add the wrist strap just in case I decide to handhold this unit. So I unscrew the tripod that came with it. You can use any tripod if you'd like, but this is a cool little portable one, and you can hold it with it. So I just string this little cord through the hole, and then you run the entire bracelet through the little cord you fed through. And this unit was pretty easy. I've been through a lot of difficult devices where you just can't fish that thing through. They did pretty good. Thank you, Samsung, making my life a little bit easier. So now I screw on the tripod and let it charge until we're ready to go on our hike tomorrow. Ah, so excited. Be sure to check out our Hiking Los Angeles channel and see our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, or watch one of our wonderful playlists.